Hello friends, welcome to this video. In this video I'll be teaching you a new intraday trading strategy using the Alligator Indicator, okay? And before that, if you are a new visitor to my channel, kindly go inside my channel and watch all the trading videos it may be for your trading purpose, and subscribe to my channel for more trading knowledge and strategies. Also visit my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in, to know more about my additional services, okay? I do provide NSE and MCX trading courses, okay? All the details have been mentioned in this my blogspot, okay? So this link will be given in the description below of this video, so you guys can go inside it and check all the details. And also you can see earning proof by my client after taking the course, and also feedback from my clients after taking the course, okay? So you can just click on that and see all the earning proof here, okay, with the ledger. And also two of my clients have won the 0 to 60 days challenge recently, okay? So this is a 0 to 60 days challenge certificate, as you can see here. So this is by one of my client and this is by one of my other client. So here is all the ledger proof of earning. So you can see a very well all the ledger proof here, okay? So recently one of my client with 10,000 rupees capital, he has made 10,000 in 10 days, okay? That is doubling his capital in 10 days. So you can just check out all this thing here, okay? So everything is mentioned here with the screenshot of profit and also with the ledger, okay? And also you can see the feedback from my clients after taking the course. So you can just click on it. All the screenshot have been displayed here, so you can just check, or you can just read all of this. And even if you are a beginner to the market and if you're not making money consistently in the market, this course will help you, okay? And I'll be teaching you how to make money consistently in the market, so you can just check all of these things, okay? So even if you're interested to take my strategies, and even if you're interested to earn money like this consistently, even if you're interested to take my course, you can just message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen and get in touch with me and learn how to trade consistently in the market. Also you can go inside my channel and see regularly how much we are earning, okay? So every day I'm updating like how much profit we made today, okay? So you can just check out all of this, like how we made 5,000, 8,000, 9,000 every day's profit have been updated. So you can just check all of this, and if you're interested you can join us to earn consistently. So by being said that, let me get started with the strategy itself, guys. The strategy is very simple. As I said, we will be using an Alligator Indicator, okay? So that's available in the Zerodha and most of the other trading platforms too, okay? So this is a normal candlestick chart with 1 minute. So this is how all the default default charts looks like. So now you can use this in two ways, that is in 5 minutes candlestick chart and also in 15 minutes candlestick chart, okay? So now let me just put 5 minutes candlestick chart. So this is how 5 minutes candlestick chart looks, and after that let me just quickly add the indicator, that is just going to studies, okay, and click on Alligator. So this is how we add an indicator. All the default, we're using all the default values here. So just click on done and it's done, okay? It get added. So now come the strategies, okay? So you make a note of this, guys. You should use the strategy after 10 o'clock only, so not before that. So whenever you get a fresh crossover happening above or below this Alligator EMAs, you can trade. That is, for example, I'll be taking a today's example of SBIN, what we are seeing today, okay? So this is a SBIN chart of 5 minutes with the Alligator Indicator, okay? So what you have to do is after 10 o'clock, you should say after 10 o'clock, not before that, because after 10 o'clock the market gets settles and then you can get a good signals to trade with this indicator. So you don't need so after 10 o'clock just watch out for a crossover happening, that is a candlestick passing above it or coming below it, okay? So any candle going above it like this, above, crossing all the EMAs when it's breaking all the EMA and going up. For example, here the candle here at 11:15 is breaking all the EMAs and has come up. So what you should do is you can buy above this candle high, that is this candle high is 331.20. so you can buy it at 331.30, okay? That is buying above this candle high. So let me mark it. Go to this tool, select tool, click on horizontal, and our buying will be above this candle high, okay? And you can keep the target as 0.5% of the stock and keep the stop loss as 0.3% of the stock, okay? So that will be a recommended and a good decent amount of profit. So 0.3% of the stock will be hitting the target very easily always. So if you buy above this, that is 331.30, okay? Our buy is 331.30, that is keep the buffer of of the high, that is 10 paisa, that is 331.20. So the buffer will be 331.30 here. That's a 10 paisa buffer, and as you can see, once it triggers, it went all the way up till 332.60, and still it kept on moving up, and here it made high of 333.30, and later, as you can see, it went all the day high. Okay, so it made a high of almost 337 today. So that's how the strategy is working. So the strategy is working really good. So I've been seeing it for past few days. Okay, so this is just my observation, so I thought of making a video for you guys. So here again, so when it's up like this, don't consider. So consider a fresh crossover below or above after 10 o'clock only. Okay, so here as you can see, the low, I mean it was up and then it came down. Okay, the candles came down below the EMA, so you should sell below this candle low, that is 334.15 is the candle low, so you should sell at 334.05. as I said, you 10 paisa buffer. So let me just mark it here. Okay, so here is a sell value where you should sell. So again 0.3%, 0.5% target and 0.3% stop loss will work good, as I said you. So once it broke above, so as you can see, your sell order got triggered. Okay, and it made a low here at 333.40. okay, and again as you can see, it started coming down. It came down till 331.55. so that's how the strategy is working, guys. Okay, so you should enter only when it's breaking that high point or the low point. Okay, you should not enter the trade only once it's coming down or coming up. Only when it's breaking the high of the signal candle high, or when it's breaking the low of signal candle low, that's when you should enter. Okay, and also as I said, you can also using 15 minutes candle chart. Okay, so in 15-minute candlestick chart also it will work fine, as I've seen it. Okay, so here it is. As you can see, the fresh crossover, when the fresh crossover comes, you can just take and buy above the candle high. Okay, so now let me just switch any other stocks like Gale, Indalco or anything. So these are the stock. So no signals were given on the last 2 days in Gale. So as you can see here, in 15 minutes you may find like a less signal, so it's better to use 5 minutes. So here in the 5 minutes chart, today's what happened is, yeah, as you can see, this is today's chart. So it was down all the way, and after that it came up, as you can see here. So that is 467.20 is the signal candle high. So you can buy above this candle, that is 467.30, you can enter. So once you enter above that, as you can see, the stock went till 469.20. Here the high made is 469.20, so our 0.5% target would have been achieved. Okay, so 467.20 till 469 almost. Okay, so this is how the strategy is. Okay, so you guys can work on it. So firstly, guys, you need to paper trade this strategy, and once you're confident only, then you should do on a real money trading. Okay, so this is a strategy, and I have given you my idea what I have been researched. Okay, so you can just use this strategy in firstly paper trade for 1 to 2 days, and then when you feel it as effective, you can use it in the real money trading. Okay, and also you can modify this strategy, and if you find like anything I should add on to this strategy, you can leave it in the comment section below, and I'll be implementing it. Okay, if anything need to be improved, you can just leave me in the comment section, and I'll be considering it, and I'll be making a video on that too. So this is a basic idea of this strategy. Okay, so you guys can back test it, and you guys can try it, and let me know in the comment section how this is working. Okay, and also you can use this in MCX also, I believe. Okay, so you can use it in a crude oil also when it's giving a signal. So I think I've not added in the list, so it's okay. So you can check on all the other scripts. Okay, so as you can see, this is Sun Pharma again today, so it was down. So always make sure to use it after 10 o'clock only. Okay, don't use it before that. So today in the Sun Pharma, what happened is, as you can see, it broke all the EMAs and went up here. So that is the signal candle high is 551.50. So if at all, if you had bought at 551.60 somewhere here, and it went all the way till 553.85. Okay, so that's how it is giving a movement. Okay, so once it broke our signal candle high, we are able to book 0.3% to 0.5% of the target, which is very safe and which is very quick too. Okay, so you guys can backtest it for a few days, and if you feel it good, then only use it in a real money market. Okay, so let me know what you feel about this strategy in the comment section. Okay, and if you're interested at my NSE or MCX trading course, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen and get in touch with me to take the course. Okay, and thank you guys for watching this video and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. See you in the next one.